Dubai has always been the topmost choice as a vacation destination for tourists, not only because of the glamour and glitz, but also for the endless entertainment options it offers. The city is always bubbling with energy and has no dearth of activities for visitors of all ages and preferences. But if you're someone who likes to experience offbeat things on your travels, then here are some of the non-touristy things that you can do in Dubai. This is not one of the places you would imagine yourself visiting in Dubai. Tucked in the industrial zone in Al Quoz, Al Circle Avenue is an expansive warehouse complex hosting contemporary galleries, concept stores, hip cafes, and even an independent cinema. The place displays artworks by artists from around the world in warehouse spaces that will let you bond over art and culture. Even if you are not an art fan, this place is worth a visit as it's free and very easy to access. Speaking of free, check out this video for more free things to do in Dubai right here. This jaw-dropping construction can be seen when driving downtown, but very few tourists really take the time to purchase tickets to watch the shows. The Dubai Opera opened in August 2016, bringing to town some of the world's largest musicals and operas. The Dubai Opera is dazzling at night, but the architecture is just as stunning in daylight. Inspired by the maritime traditions of the city, the house is designed in the shape of the traditional sailing vessel of the Arabs. A night at the opera is perfect for a date night or simply an opportunity to get dressed up and feel culturally enlightened when visiting Dubai. This stunning hotel promises a lot more than the eye can see. The massive Meydan Hotel has its own racetrack, something that few hotels can boast elsewhere in the world. If you're planning on staying at this hotel, you're bound to spend some quality time at the track. But if you're not planning to stay here, it's always worth visiting the racetrack, betting on your favorite horse, take a tour of the stables, and even take riding lessons. While most hotel guests will follow these horse races from the terrace, you can get a front row seat on the grandstand. Dubai has all kinds of transport, but it would be a shame to visit the city without taking an Abra down the creek. Fortunately, there are over 150 water taxis known as Abras, which can transport you from Deira Ol Souk Abra station to Bar Dubai Abra station. There's also an alternative route from Sabqa Abra station to Dubai Ol Souk Abra station. These trips last between 5 to 7 minutes and are usually available throughout the day. So enjoy the picturesque view and soak in the city's old charm. The Bastakia Quarter is a place completely different from the rest of the city. Being declared as a conserved place, vehicles are debarred from entering in Bastakia Quarter. You can be a part of the walking tours organized every morning at this fascinating place and go back with the splendid experience of walking through old pathways and courtyards. You must have 7 to 8 hours to spend here if you want to know more about Dubai before the oil boom and its non-stop growth as an ultra-modern city. So whether you're a local explorer of the city or a tourist, these were some of the non-touristy stuff you can do, as the true beauty lies in these tiny corners of Dubai.